me. So I need to choose me.
So welcome Homecooks, the Inspiring Lady Chef channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Today we're making my version of baby back ribs. So let's do it right now.
Here are the smoky ingredients to make our authentic baby back ribs. And for the recipe, it's always located in the description down below. Our first component is the star of the show, our juicy fatty pork ribs. Next are my barbecue rubs and spices. But don't worry, the recipe of making the barbecue rub is already posted in the full recipe. Our spice flavor consists of fennel, coriander, and star anise. Next is my special homemade barbecue rub. So bring out your favorite coffee powder. It helps enhancing the smoky and barbecue flavor of the meat. We bought this coffee from Malaysia and I absolutely love this flavor. For a citrusy and sweet flavor, we need honey citrus jam or marmalade. The next ingredient is our special edition whole grain mustard or just simply plain honey mustard. The last component we need is our homemade barbecue sauce and it is located in the full recipe. So home cooks, get ready the ribs, mortar and pestle, and barbecue rubs. Before adding the spices, crush it first by using a mortar and pestle to release its flavor. Get ready to rub our baby back ribs with our three components, the spice, the barbecue rub, and coffee of your choice. Let's flavor it up, home cooks! So first, we add the two components of the barbecue mix. Don't mind yet the coffee powder. We will use it for later. Turn on the back side of the ribs and season it generously too. Add the coffee powder now. It always goes last in my opinion because I want to taste that sweet and deep velvety coffee flavor. If you mix the coffee to the barbecue rub, the flavor will fade because the spices are powerful. That's why I want to mix it separately. Add the coffee on both sides of the ribs. I love coffee. Delicioso! If you see the excess barbecue rub powder on the tray, rub it all over to the meat. Don't waste it, home cooks. So home cooks, get ready with the liquid ingredients, just only two, our special mustard sauce and honey citrus jam. Put first the honey citrus jam. Don't be cheap, add more. So let's speed this up, home cooks. Next is mustard. Apply this on both sides of the pork ribs. Rub and give it a massage all over to Mr. Porky. And let's make it fast, home cooks! After adding everything, kindly place the pork in the container. Let it sit in the fridge for 1 to 3 days. The longer it marinates, it tastes better and would absorb more flavor. I present to you my Hunter griller. Before you cook the ribs, make sure the grill bars are hot. When it's hot, place it in the griller and cover it for 10 minutes to cook it faster. Time by time, check the ribs always to avoid making it overcooked. Get your brush and dip it to the marinade and brush it both sides of the ribs to make it moist, juicy, and tasty. What type of baby back ribs is this if you can't have side dishes? Simply add any type of veggies in the griller like boiled potatoes, zucchinis, cauliflower, carrots, peppers, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and you name it. You can add pickles too. It would be delicious. Delicioso! Grill this for 35 to 45 minutes until the bone can be separated from the pork meat. This is my red pepper flower. I just shape it almost like a sunflower by using a knife. And I made this idea yesterday before I slept. It looks amazing! Today, I present to you my authentic Texas baby back ribs. And we know what home cooks love to do is turning up the music!